Hey everyone, it's Carrie. How are you? I'm here today doing a feng shui series about your wealth corner. This is part one, and I'm going to be talking about how to find the wealth corner of your home. That's just part one. There's a few more things that I'll tell you about in a minute. For those of you who are new to me, my name is Carrie Miller. I am the founder of Feng Shui Pathways. I'm a feng shui and energy clearing practitioner, and I'm pretty passionate about showing people the ways that their surroundings can influence them, their mood, their energy level, their success, and even how much money they make. And I really believe that you can use feng shui and tap into the energy of your surroundings to really harness and direct those energies so they support you better, and also so that they give you an advantage in life. And today we're talking about the wealth corner and about finding the wealth corner of your home. And over this series, we're going to talk about how to optimize that and help it help you. This is part one of the series. It is going to be hosted for free during the month of November. It's going to culminate in December. The first week of December, I'll be doing a Wealth Corner activation challenge, and you're certainly invited to join in on that. I will be posting the registration details for that soon. If you'd like all the information from this challenge or from this series in your inbox, you can sign up for my mailing list at carriemillerconsulting.com. Scan to the bottom of the page and you'll find the newsletter sign up. You'll also get information about the challenge and when the doors open for that. So join my mailing list if you're interested in following along for that. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you today. And let's see. Yeah, I'm going to go through these slides. So again, this is all about activating your wealth corner and helping it to be energized and energize the wealth area of your home to help you attract and accumulate better wealth. So the wealth and abundance corner of your home is the part of your home that's the energetic center for financial wealth in your home. It is the part of your home that relates to money and blessing of all kinds and from all sources. And it's also reflective of abundance, not just money, but abundance, and about having gratitude and appreciation for what's already in your life. So the energy of the wealth and abundance corner is all about multiplying and magnifying. So whatever's going on in the wealth corner of your home is being amplified in many different ways. Regardless of whether or not you're aware of it, it's already happening. So we'd like to take advantage of it and actually be intentional about it. And you can tell a lot about what's going on in your current financial life just by noticing the state of that corner. Like there can be really some good insights, into why money isn't flowing for you, or why it feels like you're swimming upstream financially. And you'll learn a little bit more about that. In feng shui, we use the Bagua map to locate your wealth corner. This is a picture of the Bagua map. The map in front of you is used in Western feng shui to locate the different energy centers of your home that are related to different parts of your life. So you can see here that there are 9 different segments of this map. And one of them in this back left corner is the abundance and gratitude corner. And the front entrance, we're going to note that, but that front entrance is up in front of that knowledge and insight, the fulfilling work and the support area. That's really the front of the map, where the back of the map is the abundance and gratitude area and the love area. So to find your own personal wealth corner, the easiest thing to do is to really just quickly sketch out your floor plan. And I have an example of a floor plan here. This is super simple. There's no detail in it, but you can see all the pieces of one floor of the home. The wealth corner does duplicate. So if you have more than one floor, it's just layers the same way right up above it. And the second step is really to just kind of draw a tic-tac-toe board over the map that you've drawn, and each one of those corners will lay out. So again, the entrance to your home, that front part of your house, is going to be where the fulfilling work or career area of the map falls. And the back left corner is going to be the abundance or money or prosperity area of your house. So some important notes to consider are, again, the front of the map aligns with the front of the house, and normally the front, where the front door is. Not always, but normally. Everything underneath your roof line is included. So if you have an attached garage or an addition off the back or a covered entry or a covered screened-in room, that is going to be included under the Bagua map. And that map can stretch in either direction. So it can become either wide or really deep in order to cover your full layout. The thing is, you may end up with part of the Bagua areas missing if you have an odd-shaped house. And I have an example of that in a minute. And it's important to note that you can find a wealth corner for your home, for your property, for each individual room. And there's really one for each floor of your home as well. So you've got a lot of wealth corners. Here's another example. This one is showing more of an L-shaped house. And you can see that the garage juts out in the front. So the front door is in the kind of the middle part of the house because the garage juts out, but you're still going to line up the map along that front wall. Now, what this shows, once you lay the map over, it shows some of those missing areas. So this homeowner is actually missing a good portion of their career area, fulfilling work area. They're missing all of the knowledge and wisdom area, and they're missing part of their family area and part of their health area. So this is important to know because it probably means that they don't have a very strong energetic foundation within the structure of their home for these parts of their life. That can end up reflecting in it being those areas, those life areas being more difficult to just thrive in without some corrections. And so if you draw out your Bagua map or your floor plan, and then you add the Bagua map to it, and you notice when you lay the Bagua map over it that you're missing the abundance corner, that's important to know. It is not doom and gloom because, like I said, there are other wealth corners that we can play with if you're missing the wealth corner of your home. And there are some cures that you can put in place to solidify and create a stronger foundation for the wealth corner in your home, even if it's missing, even if it's not created by walls. I'm actually going to talk about that in one of the next pieces of the series that we do. So stand by for that. But today, I really want you to find your own wealth and abundance corner. So start with your home and draw the layout of your home. Locate that back left corner of the home. Sometimes it can be easy to just kind of do this in your mind's eye rather than sketching out your whole floor plan. You might be able to just imagine, the layout of your house and think about what's in the back left corner. That's your wealth corner. Notice what's going on there. Is it missing? Is there a ton of clutter there? Those are all clues about your financial flow, right? So there's, sometimes clutter is a symptom of having limiting beliefs or self-worth issues around money. It can be a symptom of a whole bunch of different beliefs around money system, but blocks about receiving money. And so it can be insightful to know that there's clutter there because it's a little hint. It can be insightful to know that you're missing that corner because it's a hint about what's been going on for you. And it's the starting point because there's still a whole lot of feng shui that you can do to support those areas, even if they're not ideal. So go ahead and do this for the wealth corner of your home, but I'm going to give you bonus points. If you can find the wealth corner of your property, of each floor, and of each individual room, notice any patterns that they share. And when I talk about finding the wealth corner of individual rooms, each room has its own Bagua map, and that Bagua map, the front of the Bagua map gets oriented to the entrance to the room, the most popularly used entrance to the room. And so you can find a wealth corner for your living room and a wealth corner for your bedroom. And it's interesting to just take a look and notice, you know, hey, there's a whole bunch of junk in the corner of our property, and there's a whole bunch of stuff gathered in the corner of our garage, which is also our wealth corner. And the bedroom in our wealth corner, there's a whole bunch of clutter collecting there. It's just interesting to note that's what's going on right now. Those are things that can block energy from flowing and can make the flow of money more challenging as well. So in future sessions of this feng shui series on the wealth corner, I'm going to share what to do if you're missing the wealth and abundance corner. I'm going to talk about what to do if you have yucky stuff going on in that corner. Like, what if you have a bathroom in your wealth corner? Or what if that's where your trash can and your litter box have to go? Or what if it's your garage and that's where all your junk is stored? Like, there are, you know, there's things that are important to know about that. We're also going to talk about do's and don'ts for the wealth and abundance corner. You really want to use the energy to your best advantage. And I'll also talk about enhancements for activating the wealth and abundance part of your home. There are things that you can put in place that can help call energy to the wealth corner of your home, which adds energy to the wealth corner of your life and really creates a flow which allows prosperity and abundance to flow for you. And also December 6th through 8th is when that wealth corner activation challenge is happening. I have details coming soon on that. If you want to get the series in your inbox, and if you want to get notified when the doors open for the free challenge, you can sign up by putting your name into my newsletter box at carriemillerconsulting.com. Just scan to the bottom of the page, you'll find that intake form there. I hope you enjoy this. Follow along. I'll be answering a lot of your questions as we go, and I will answer lots of questions live during that activation challenge week. Thanks very much, you guys. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I really think that this is an important topic to talk about. Probably about 2 weeks ago, I did a free webinar that was all about aligning your home with abundance. And out of that webinar, most of the questions were all about the wealth corner and how to enhance it and activate it and what to do if it wasn't ideal. And so this series is really designed to follow that up and give you some more detail and some more support on activating that wealth corner of your life. There's 8 other areas that you can activate also, but typically people enjoy or go for the wealth corner first because it seems like the one that will have the biggest impact on their overall life. Thanks again for being here, and I will see you soon. Take care.